Extend your living space out into your garden with an eDecks softwood deck. Our range of softwood decking is made predominantly from pressure-treated pine. The stunning colour of the timber means that it will instantly lift your existing garden decor and complement your garden furniture. It's produced from fast-growing, evergreen or coniferous trees, which is one of the reasons why softwood is typically much lower in price than hardwood decking. Given its availability, cost-effectiveness and ease of installation, it's no surprise that around 90% of UK decks are made from softwood. Here at eDecks we offer several different types of softwood decking to suit your individual needs. Here we have the eDecks standard 120mm redwood decking. Machined from Swedish redwood timber, this is by far our most popular board. Our standard decking has so many qualities, including resistance to shrinking and warping, as well as enhanced durability, meaning it ages well. The discount decking we offer is a slightly smaller board. These are manufactured to offer fantastic value without sacrificing quality. It has a dual-sided profile, meaning you can choose the simple castle top design or a ribbed top. Our 145mm redwood decking boasts all the same fantastic qualities as our standard redwood, but uses an extra wide profile, meaning it offers a different look. The chunky deck decking uses the same profile as our 120mm standard redwood decking, but as the name suggests, it has added depth to create greater strength and durability for high traffic areas. Next is the elite super thick decking. This decking is one of the most heavy duty softwoods available in the UK market and certainly the thickest, finishing at roughly 38mm. Our elite super thick decking is fully pressure treated and kiln dried like all our other softwood decking, perfect for heavy duty applications. We also offer anti-slip versions of our discount decking and our standard decking. Our anti-slip process utilises a specially formulated and highly durable combination of resin and aggregate, which is professionally inserted into the machine grooves of the board. Our Walkshow board is an attractive and colourful alternative, boasting an impressive and safe slip-resistant surface in wet or dry conditions. It combines synthetic rubber and pressure-treated softwood deck board to achieve its high rating, which conforms with UK slip-resistant guidelines. Browse our website to see a variety of colours that we offer with Walkshow decking. Whichever board you decide on, all our softwood decking is exceptionally easy to install, making it the perfect choice for DIY and professional installers alike. Once your order arrives, it won't be long until you're inviting your friends and family over to enjoy your beautiful new decking with you.